All these walls, these different panels, these sections are pre-done in a factory. So that means it comes to site with the finish on the interior of the perimeter and the exterior of the perimeter with the insulation inside. I use these chases here to run electrical. So I want a two-way to control the kitchen lights and maybe also another outlet to control an exterior light. We would come in here, add that right here. Same thing applies if we need to run power up this cavity through our floor joists and down into an interior wall. When we do an interior wall, what's going to happen is we would go through the floor joists here, come down wherever we want in here, and this is super easy. We're just going to drill through the 2x6 or 2x4 depending on the wall and drop those outlets and switches wherever we need them. In the case of our bedroom, we already designed and determined that we wanted to put our bed on an interior wall, making it a lot easier to place the outlets beside the bed and switches if we need them. If you want to put your bed on the outside wall, you may want to consult the designers on the design stage to say, okay, king size beds go in here. I want to be able to have an outlet here and here, and that might determine your panel size.